Hello and welcome back to KandFDesign. If you're new here, my name is Katie and I try to bring a wide variety of different craft projects to you. If you ever have a craft project you would like me to show you how to make or just want to see me try to make it, let me know down below and I'll try my best to bring that to you. If you like today's craft project, make sure to hit those thumbs up. It really does mean a lot to me and it helps bring my crafting videos to more crafters like you. Don't forget to also hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. That way you don't miss out on any of our crafting fun. So with that, let's get crafting. Today's project, as you can see, doesn't require too many supplies, and we'll be decorating this styrofoam hood, and you could do it a couple different ways. I'm going to use mine as a little Valentine's Day decor on my fire mantle. So every holiday I switch out just the decor on my fire mantle, and I don't know, I like it. So you need a styrofoam hood. This one is from Dollar Tree. I think it's a decent size for what I'm going to use mine for. Just as a little decor piece. You probably could find different sizes if you wanted. Then you need some, it's getting glitter everywhere, heads up if you get this one. This one was from Michael's and it's just this really pretty ribbon. That's like lace, and it is technically Christmas, so I got it on sale, but I don't think this necessarily looks like Christmas, and I think that'll be really pretty to do a nice neutral hood design, and then it has a little bit of glitter, and well, hopefully the glitter does not get everywhere, but that might be another issue. But yeah, I think I'm going to do a neutral hood, and then that way if you want to keep it out longer, you could. But if you don't want ribbon, you can also do some fabrics. Want these fabrics be pretty, like you could do all four of the, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6, depending if you want more white in there too. But just doing a hood with all the purples, different colors of purple would be really pretty. So you could cut little fabrics, you could do ribbon, but all we're going to be doing is cutting. So I'll probably end up doing like a square. So probably, I don't know, what is this? This is 2.5. Just little squares, and then with a stick, punching them into a styrofoam. And filling up this entire hood with either the ribbon or a fabric, and I think it'll look really cute. You will then also need either scissors or something to cut your fabric with. You could also do maybe something like one of those types of tools with a cutting mat to cut if you're doing the fabric maybe. Cricut machine could cut fabric. I think since I'm just doing this, I'm just going to cut it with scissors. They should all stick well if you just push them in. Actually, I probably will use my thicker dowel rod. These are just scrap pieces I found. Just make smaller holes, and it should stick in here well by just doing this. But you might need a glue gun if you want to hold it in place more. Maybe like some of these little areas here might get difficult to do, so I might need some glue to keep them in place. We'll see. So since I'm using ribbon, I just need to cut little squares. And my ribbon was 2.5 inches. So I just measured about 2.5 and cut it. So now I can use that square and cut my next line. Don't know, maybe scissors aren't the best to cut this ribbon, but you could also use that other tool I showed you. Since this was the clearance ribbon, I wanted to make sure I had enough, so I bought 2 rolls. I don't know if I'll need 2 rolls for that, we'll see. And as I cut, this is making tons of glitter on my desk, so I'm debating, should I put paper down or just clean it all up later? I might just wipe it off later with like a towel or something. But yeah, this will be a fun glitter mess. So I'm just gonna keep cutting these and then we'll move on to the styrofoam hood when I'm done cutting these out. I don't know if you see this mess here. There's so much glitter on my desk. That was my fault picking this glitter ribbon. So note, if you don't want to mess, don't pick the pretty glitter ribbon. I went ahead and cut one whole roll. We still have the second one just in case we need it. This is a mound of ribbon and we just cut them into squares. Now, when we do this, there are two sides to my ribbon. There's the really pretty with all the glitter, or the side without as much glitter. So you can decide if yours is double-sided like this, which one you want to use. I think I'm going to do the glitter side, so we're just taking our little stick, kind of going somewhat in the middle, and pressing it in. I might need a thicker stick. And then just go right up next to it and press it in. And we're going to do that for the entire hood. So I will speed that up for you. Again, if you want to do glue, you could do that too. Just be careful, you kind of crunch it and then glue it. Just be really careful. If you use hot glue, it does melt styrofoam, and this will let the heat go right through it, so don't burn your fingers if you do hot glue. Alright, I'm going to speed this up and start pressing.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks. Listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast. Don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
So we were almost able to do one hood from Dollar Tree with one roll of 20-foot ribbon. Just so you know, it's just going in my house, so I think I might just leave it because my hand is sore now after pressing those all in. You could just lean it up against something, but I think, which side do I like better? I don't think it matters. I'm going to press my stick into the back. Get in there really good. And now it stands. It's a little stand for it. How easy is that? But there's our hood. I did do a little bit of the gluing method here and tried it on the sides. I personally liked sticking it with the stick better. I felt like it just stayed better, personally. So that's up to you what method you end up liking, but just know it does hurt your hand after a while. I think now it is a little plain. I might add like a little bow or something there. So let's see what I have. I just took a little stick out of the back so it would lay flat so you could see what I'm doing, the little extra detail I'm adding to it. It could also be good to do that for storage and then just make sure you keep it with it so you can stand it up for next year. So I really like the hood how it is, but I think it just needs a little something. I was thinking maybe doing a cute little bow. I just wasn't sure how I was liking that though. Cute, simple, a little bit of pizzazz. Just wasn't 100% sure, so then I thought maybe with a flower, maybe hiding just the string coming out of it. But I think I'm just gonna go even more simple and just a flower with some greenery. Something like that. I'm debating if I want a third leaf at the top, so let me know what you think of all these designs, which one you would have gone with. I think I like it with the 3 leaves. Just gives it that little bit of extra. I mean, yeah, the ribbon was also pretty too. But it just, I don't know, I'm not good with ribbons. It needed something else. Maybe if I did a double or triple ribbon design, that would have been pretty. But I think I'm gonna keep it simple and just do that. And I'm just gonna use my hot glue to glue it on. And there we go. Let's stick a stick in the back so she sits. I think that's gonna be really pretty on that mantle. It gives a little bit of glitter. We'll see how much glitter it gives off, but it'll look pretty, I think. I'll have to show you a photo. But again, if you did different patterns, that would be really pretty, and then that way it wouldn't have all that glitter. I just wanted to go with the more neutral look, and I did like the glitter. I just didn't think about the mess that I will now have to clean up. So something to think about if you're doing this, but I think it's a fun little hood, and it turned out really pretty. I hope you enjoyed crafting with me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.